Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Tech Infinity here, and this is the unboxing and first impressions of the new Xiaomi Mi 3. We got the box here and it's pretty simple, and the specifications are given at the back. It has a Snapdragon 800 A274AB processor which is clocked at 2.3 GHz. It has a 5-inch Full HD 1080p display with 441 ppi and sports a 2GB DDR3 RAM. It is priced in India at a whopping $13,999 and can be bought via Flipkart. Now let's remove the plastic cover. It is packed in cardboard and it has a very minimalistic design. It is simple and very elegant to look. Now let's open this up. The phone is at the top. Now let me take it out. The phone has a plastic cover at the front. It's pretty lightweight. Feels very premium in the hand, since it's built with a magnesium aluminum alloy. We got the MI symbol here. Now let's take a look at the inbox contents. We got the manual here, I guess. Let me take a look at it. I guess this is the MIUI instructions. This is the warranty information, I believe. That's the SIM card ejector. Let's keep it aside. That's the power adapter. It's simple. And that's the micro USB cable. It's pretty good, I believe. There's nothing inside. Let's keep that aside. Let's take the phone. Let's remove the plastic covering at the front. Now let's take a look at the top. There's a 3.5mm jack and a SIM card slot which supports mini SIM, and you can use an adapter for a micro SIM. There are volume rockers at the right, and just below that there's a power button. Here are the speakers which are laser drilled, and there's a reinforced USB port. There's the MI symbol, and that's the dual LED flash and the 13MP camera. There's the IMEI number. Let's power this on. Now we're gonna set up the phone. Now we have finished the setup. The MIUI is pretty simple and very elegant. Does not have an app drawer like the iOS. You hold up the settings button and you get to the multitasking window. Let's just go through the UI. This is the notification panel, and it's pretty simple, and it can be changed by changing the themes. There are many toggles here. Let's just go through the settings. These are the quick settings tab, and that's the general settings tab. Let's go through about phone. These are all the general specifications of the phone. Let's see the Android version. We got 4.4.2 KitKat here, which comes out of the box. If we hold the hold button, we can get to Google now. We have to set that up. We'll do that later. This is the multitasking window, and we can even clear the RAM here. These are the app settings. The UI is pretty great and it's highly customizable. It has a 16 GB internal storage and there's around 11 GB storage available to the user. So that's it guys for today's unboxing and first impressions video. The in-depth review of this phone will be coming soon, so please stay tuned to our channel. Please like our Facebook page and Twitter page, which will be given in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like the video, and the comment section is always open for you guys. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more tech videos. Thank you for watching guys, have a great day.